Discover this incredible 36 plus acres North Carolina family paradise featuring a sparkling pond, a scenic creek, a beautiful home filled with natural light, and a spacious 3-bay garage workshop. Perfectly positioned with easy access to Burlington and the Triangle, this property offers the ideal blend of peaceful country living and modern convenience. picturesque views from multiple rooms inside the home. Whether you're relaxing on the screened porch or enjoying the view from indoors, the connection to the outdoors is always present. Inside, the home is bright, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. Large windows invite in natural light, enhancing the open feel of the living areas. The main level features a comfortable primary suite, providing convenience and a peaceful retreat within the home. The kitchen has been updated with modern finishes, offering both style and functionality for everyday living and entertaining. Generous living spaces throughout the home create a welcoming environment for family and guests alike. Additional features include both an attached garage and an impressive 3-bay garage workshop, perfect for vehicles, hobbies, storage, or projects. The land itself is well suited for horses, goats, chickens, or creating your own private farmstead. Despite its private setting, the property remains highly connected with high-speed internet and convenient access to nearby cities. Whether you're working remotely, commuting, or simply seeking a peaceful escape, this North Carolina property offers the best of both worlds.